Hello everyone, I am Dr. Harshika. Today we are going to talk about hand, foot, mouth and disease, which is also called as HFMD. So what is HFMD? HFMD is a viral illness that is caused by Coxsackie virus or the enterovirus, most commonly being Coxsackie virus. And how is it transmitted? It is usually transmitted by nasal secretions or through saliva, or when a child coughs or sneezes, the secretions will pass from one child to another child. Or sometimes when the secretions are fallen on a table or a chair, and if the another child touches it, then this can be transmitted to the other children. Which age group is hand, foot, mouth disease most commonly seen? Hand, foot, mouth disease is seen usually in preschool children to school children less than 10 years of age group, because it is difficult to maintain the hand hygiene in this age group of children. It is also seen in preschools where the gathering or collection of children is more, so there is a high probability of transmission of this disease. Next, what are the symptoms of hand, foot, mouth disease? So hand, foot, mouth disease usually presents 3 to 5 days after exposure to the virus, and these symptoms will be a fever. The child can present with painful ulcers in the mouth. There might be some rash that might develop on the palms, soles, on the buttocks, all over the body. This rash can be reddish or it can be a blister type of rash. And the rash will be very itchy. So the child might be very irritable, excessively crying, and because the ulcers in the mouth are painful, the child will not want to eat or drink any solids or liquids. So in these children, what do we do? What is the treatment for hand, foot, mouth disease? The treatment is largely symptomatic and manageable at home. Very few children will need hospitalization in case of very dehydration or in case of very poor appetite. And what is the treatment that we do? We usually suggest to give pain medication, that is either, or fever medication, that is either paracetamol or ibuprofen, to control the fever as well as the pain. Another medication that we advise is to use a local anesthetic in the mouth in the form of gel, which will help in numbing the ulcers and the pain, and this will help the child to at least eat little better. Next, the child can be suggested to or advised to give ice cream or cold water, so that it will help in numbing the pain. Next, coming to how long will this illness last? This illness is usually self-limiting and will last for up to 5 days to 7 days. A local topical emollient can be given, like a lactocalamine lotion, to apply on the hands or the legs or the affected rash area. The child should be given lot of fluids and hydration, so that the child will not become dehydrated. In case the child is dehydrated and very dull, lethargic, hospitalization is advised, and the child will be rehydrated with IV fluids. So this is about hand, foot, mouth and disease.